is the replacement interval for a timing belt? Hello everyone, this is George from OGS Mechanics workshop, and today we've got a very interesting topic. This vehicle is on the ramp because of a timing belt failure. Now, do you know what's the replacement interval on this very important component from vehicles? It can vary from 60,000 miles to probably 140,000 miles we've seen on some vehicles. For instance, on some Fords, they have a very high mileage replacement interval, but in reality they fail at a much lower. So it's very critical to really understand when this component, when this kit has to be replaced in order to avoid something like that. So what happens here, failure of a timing belt kit literally was the tensioner that had failed, has ended up in a valve damage. So what happens when the belt fails or the tensioner from the timing belt kit fails, it ends up that piston interfere with the valves, and what we have seen here, what had happened, we had valves that have bent. So if we have a quick video here, you can see how those valves, they're not straight anymore as compared with the others, and this has happened because of the belt fail. Furthermore, we have damage on the camshaft. So this particular one, those are the camshaft that they press onto the valves. On this, the camshaft came apart, literally broke off. So not having the belt replaced at the right time, overseeing it, ended up in a very costly repair, having the vehicle off the road for a much longer period of time, as opposed to just have it in for a routine timing belt replacement. Is very critical, very important to understand this type of servicing, when has to be done, in order to avoid very and much more expensive repairs, obviously compared with the normal replacement. So I hope this is something for you to learn. And then if you have a vehicle, for instance, this is a Toyota Proace with a Peugeot engine, 1500 diesel engine, but this can be replicated to pretty much every vehicle on the road. First of all, you have to check whether you have a timing belt. If it's a chain, the situation is slightly different. You have to pay attention on noises. But this is what we want to show you, and hope it is something that you can make use of. If it is, please share it, and stay close to us for more videos related to car repairs. See you on the next video.